Since the pandemic shoots the foundations of government-issued types of money, digital currencies have started to lead the pack, going head-on-head. In this opposition, a lot of challengers have died, while some endured everyday hardship. One such name is Polkadot, one of the rumored projects laid out fundamentally to increase the value of the advantage of blockchain. Allow us to investigate the ongoing subtleties of Polkadot convention and comprehend the Polkadot cost expectation for what's in store. Polkadot, not a plan or example, lifestyle. A leader project by Web3 establishment, a Swiss establishment. Polkadot handoff fastened plans to bring to its clients the functionalities of plenty of decentralized finance and, simultaneously, makes the clients reap the advantages exploiting an easy-to-understand interface. Polkadot has recently sent off its expected Polkadot parachain. The closeout framework as of late had its fourth sale, which was won by Equal Money. Gavin Wood was the previous fellow benefactor job at Ethereum establishment. Aside from being one of the most aggressive undertakings in view of multi-chain framework and contender of Ethereum, Polkadot additionally offers numerous answers for its clients, bringing different blockchains on one bound-together organization, transcending as a spearheading project executed on distributed Polkadot organization. It has enormous advantages to offer, viz. Shared exceptionally unpredictability security of focal chain and parachains, including the immaculate administration. The upgraded framework permits plentiful functionalities of marking and operability. The effective ICO of Polkadot drifted in 2017 October met with thundering achievement, and it raised more than $140 million, selling north of 10 million DAB supply. While during the ICO, spec USD was fixed at 30 cents, the client's buy pattern carried it to an obstruction level of $6 toward the finish of August 2020. The authentic Polkadot cost expectations began to exchange at $5.20 in the mid of September and further plunged. It spiraled downwards around first 50% of October 2020, exchanging at $4.42, and further plunged to $3.86 in the mid of October. Toward the finish of October, it was around $4.15. Nonetheless, retreating pandemic brought the best worth of the coin forward, and the Polkadot cost began its vertical process with $5.88 in November 2020 and never thought back from that point forward. Throughout the past year, Polkadot has checked enormous development as the spec cost got sharp spike, which took its cost up to $47 in the last mid-May. From that point forward, the cost of Polkadot confronted dismissal and it fell around $11 in a month. Nonetheless, the spot coin recaptured its lost energy and enlisted a record-breaking high of $55 in the last November. Afterward, Polkadot confronted critical selling pressure and kept on exchanging negatively till date. The value expectation conjecture the cost of Polkadot crypto to exchange around $25 in 2022, $37 in 2023, and $84 in 2025. The assessed cost ascend in the approaching 5 years is $180, expanding by 868%. The anticipated cost might ascend to plus 69% continuously, and according to DAB crypto cost forecast, in 2022, we hope to see $28.47 per one Polkadot. In the primary portion of 2023, the Polkadot cost will move to $41.64. In view of our Polkadot cost expectation, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost visualization for 2027 is $93.71, with a 5 years productive speculation choice. The income is supposed to be around plus 397.2%. As per Polkadot cost forecasts, DAB costs could fill hugely in 6 years. Say by 2028, it ought to have an unmistakable meeting around $62 to $75. There is potential for solidifying patterns according to Polkadot figure that point towards the way that there is potential for Polkadot, and it might cross $155 mark toward 1 year's end. Spot's cost began in 2022 at $28. Following a month, the Polkadot exchanged downwards around $19. As displayed in the above spot USD cost diagram, the coin checked impressive fall after it hit its ATH of $55 in the last November. Be that as it may, starting from the start of this current year, Polkadot has stamped moderate vacillations. Presently, the spec cost is exchanging around $18 with slight potential gain force. If the spec crypto keeps on exchanging upwards, it might hit 23.60% lie level and cross $23 cost mark. On the disadvantage, it holds dynamic help levels of $14, and assuming it rectifies underneath $14, it has serious areas of strength for the of $10. In light of technicals and current cost development, the Polkadot cost could keep up development sooner rather than later. We should investigate DAB expectations for the next years. Polkadot value expectation 2022. In light of our own examination and verifiable information, Polkadot exchanged at $28, and there is even a conjecture Polkadot that the DAB cost might concoct its own blockchain stage, progressing itself from Ethereum base, getting enrolled in the significant digital money market trades world by first 50% of 2022 would be $25, and toward the finish of 2022, taking Polkadot cost to $38. The environment might fill quickly, particularly for partnerships before the current year's over. As per Polkadot value expectation specialists, the spec coin cost will reach $20 in Q1 of 2022. The crypto can additionally show the bullish pattern of $24 in Q2, acquiring $27 toward the finish of 2022. Our specialized figure proposes a potential hopeful situation all year long. Polkadot value expectation 2023. On the off chance that we contrast the main portion of 2022 and the principal half of 2023, there might be a huge distinction. The year's end expectation 2023 could offer a buy to all negative and skeptical patterns for the universe of digital currencies, particularly for Polkadot. It could mean the start of a period of expectations and commitments brimming with positive thinking. Polkadot coin cost expectation recommends the esteemed resource would ascend to any place between $26 to $37. Polkadot value expectation 2024. 4 to 5 years is quite a while. With pandemic immunization coming to the front, according to specialists' report, it might mean a blast time for DAB exchanges. Toward the finish of 2024, the cost of Polkadot coin could reach up to the $40 mark according to Polkadot Crypto Cost Forecast. Polkadot Value Forecast 2025. Master financial backers of digital currencies generally plan for the long-haul acquiring potential instead of the present moment. It wouldn't overstate that this valued digital money. Polkadot expects to break every one of the hindrances and endure everyday hardship, scaling a pinnacle of $46 by last part of the year, with government-issued types of money unfit to support themselves directly following the pandemic. This could come as a respite for all Polkadot financial backers, driving them to the way of high expectations and goals to execute in spec cost expectation. With a touch of persistence and keeping the expectations high in the long haul, financial backers can expect a circle back toward the finish of 2025, as the reception would develop dramatically. By when Polkadot would be a carefully prepared player. Foreseeing the cost of Polkadot, a novel and high unpredictability resource, is a difficult errand. The most intelligent response is nobody knows. It is constantly suggested that financial backers do their own reasonable level of investment and go through the ongoing value patterns to pursue their own insightful choice according to opposition level. Polkadot Value Forecast 2026. According to the sentiments communicated by the Polkadot expectations, the year end of could be high as no other year till now for Polkadot. There might be an uncommon ascent in the cost, expanding to $52. Such a climb in the cost is uncommon in both public and confidential chains. Polkadot Value Expectation 2030. According to Master's Polkadot cost figure, Polkadot cost can reach $86 during the principal half and $85 in the last part of the year. Our Polkadot forecast predicts the coin's cost can rise up to $91 and is supposed to exchange above $84. Financial backers are prescribed to play out their Polkadot cost examination